Hello, this is part 3, Attach Gun. In this video I'm going to show how to attach a weapon. So to do that I created the weapons, and we have a base weapon, and then derived from that is a gun, then derived from the gun is the individual weapons, a shotgun and a assault rifle in this case. And then on the player I programmed this blueprint that initializes the gun for the player, and I have the same thing on the bottom. Search for military weapon dark. If you don't have this, you can download it from the marketplace. Normally you would add this to your project now. However, there's a problem with this one. This one's only compatible up to Unreal Engine version 4.21, and we're using Unreal Engine version 4.23. So what we need to do is create a temporary project. It can be a regular blueprint project, it doesn't have to be a C++ project, and add this to the temporary project. And then we can upgrade it to 4.23, and then we can manually copy it over using Windows File Explorer. This is a blueprint blank project. I named it Military Weapon Dark. This is a temporary project using Unreal Engine version 4.21, and create project. Right click the .uproject file and switch Unreal Engine version. I'm going to change this from 4.21 to 4.23 and press OK. On the left is the Military Weapon Dark content directory. On the right is the Team TPS content directory. So I'm going to copy the Military Weapon Dark folder, I'll paste it here. We're going to create a temporary project to use some of the assets, and we're going to migrate this over manually using Windows File Explorer. So create a new project, blueprint, first person, desktop console, maximum quantity, no starter content. I'm going to name it first person and create project. On the left is first person content directory, and on the right is Team TPS content directory. So I'm going to copy the first person and the first person BP folders, copy that and paste it here. Under content, first person, character, mesh, double click SK mannequin arm skeleton. Select grip point, right click, copy selected sockets, close this, go to Anim Starter Pack, UE4 mannequin, mesh, UE4 mannequin skeleton, select mil01R, right click, and paste sockets, and save and close that. Under Content, Team TPS, right click, new folder, gonna name this Weapons. Right click, select Blueprint class, Actor, I'm going to name this BP Weapon Base. Right click BP Weapon Base, create Child Blueprint class. I'm going to name this BP Weapon Gun. Right click BP Weapon Gun, create Child Blueprint class. I'm going to name this BP Weapon Shotgun. Right click BP Weapon Gun, create Child Blueprint class. I'm going to name it BP Weapon Assault Rifle. Right click, Blueprints, Enumeration. I'm going to name this Weapon Enum. Double click Weapon Enum. Press New to create each item and enter this list of weapons. When you're done, press Save. Double click BP Weapon Shotgun. Go to Weapons. Drag in Shotgun B Skeletal Mesh. Compile and save. And close that. Do the same thing to BP Weapon Assault Rifle. I've already added it here. Double click BP Weapon Base. Add variable. I'm going to name this Weapon ID. Search for weapon, enter Weapon Enum, and compile and save. Need to set the weapon ID, so double click on the shotgun. Weapon ID is correct. Double click on the assault rifle. This weapon ID should be set to assault rifle. Compile and save that. Double click BP player character. First create this variable named weapon in hand, and the type is BP weapon base, and program this blueprint. This is BP weapon assault rifle. This is grip point here. This is snap to target here, here, and here. When you're done, compile and save. And then our BP bot base, double click that. This has the same thing, the same variable. On this one, I have BP weapon shotgun. Everything else is the same. And compile and save that. Press play to test. I want to check the position of the gun in the player's hand. So you can see that the gun's not positioned correctly, so I'm going to show how to fix that. Double click the shotgun. Select the mesh and make these adjustments. -2, -10, -15, and compile and save that. And double click the assault rifle and select the mesh, make these adjustments. -2, -2, -5, -15, and compile and save that. I'm going to test the assault rifle. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to test the shotgun now. So I think that looks pretty good.